Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So today's the day. The jacket is back on, which means we're back on the road. Gonna head out of Chiang Mai today. Heading out, we're gonna stop over and head up Doi Inthanon mountain, which is the highest mountain in all of Thailand. Head up there to the top. Looking at the clouds, I don't think we're gonna get much of a view, but just to go up there and we'll go see the presidential gardens or the royal gardens, and then we'll head down the backside and we're gonna head to Mae Sariang, I think it's called. Mae Sariang. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty long day today, especially with the climb, and if we're stopping around, do some little stops on the way. I expect it's gonna be a full day of riding. We won't arrive till evening. So as you know, we were having some trouble in Chiang Mai trying to find bikes, and in the end we've decided not to buy bikes. I think if we had like one solid straight shot through Thailand, we would have bought bikes, but because we've got like a couple days here, like 2 weeks, and then we have a friend's birthday that we need to get to, and then we have another 2 weeks, and then we have Philippines and we're gone for 2 months. This in and out has really just kind of made it a bit difficult to just hunker down and buy some bikes. Plus, the market itself here hasn't really been lending any favors to us. The options of bikes available and the prices, it just feels like too much of a risk for us to lose quite a lot of money if we bought some bikes and then tried to sell them down south in Phuket or in I forget the place all the way south. So in the end, we've decided just to rent. We're gonna rent bikes in each one of these little pockets. And of course, we'd love to have a big bike, but our budget doesn't afford so here's our rides. So we're gonna be cruising on these Yamaha 115 Sparks. We're gonna light a little fire around this loop that we're gonna do. So these are 115 cc's of fuel injected raw rage and untamed power. We're gonna be ripping and riding through the mountains on these. Yeah, it's trying to avoid the conversation. So of course we're sad that we're not on big bikes, but the reality is you can't always have what you want. And I mean, in the end of the day, we're here in Thailand to have the local experience, and what would the locals drive? They'd be ripping and riding on these scooters. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna rip and ride these scooters all through these mountains up here and see what we can find along the way. So we'll see you guys in Doi Inthanon. We're not to the summit quite yet, but we're here at the Hmong market in I think it's Mae Klong, some village, but we're just past the visitor center, and Sophie and I decided to get some snacks. Dried mango, dried strawberry. It's nice because you can try all the different flavors, and then we're gonna get some real strawberries too. I mean, it's like a pretty big bag for $1. You can't pass it up. So we got a bunch of little snacks here. We're gonna walk over this way and go do some wine tasting. see if we can buy some wine as well. All the different little fruits and things. Got a lot of dried fruits, peanuts, tomatoes, strawberries, honey. Ooh, too many things. You shouldn't come here when you're hungry, because we're hungry right now, so not a good idea. Alright guys, time to go for a walk. We're here in the parking lot, and now we're going to walk up the Doi nature trail, to which should lead us to the summit of Doi Inthanon. Inthanon? So Doi translates to Forest of the Sky trail. There's a little trail map. We're gonna get to walking and see how long it takes us to get to the top. It looks super nice. It's not like a hiking trail. Like, this is a very nicely made trail, so it should be pretty easy. The ride up was interesting, but fun and good. Our little red engines that they did all right, no problems. Of course, we had to. Oh, they're very pretty birds. I mean, there was some hills, very strong, big hills. They struggled a little bit, but we just dropped the gear, and I mean, I don't think there was once where we dropped less than 40 kilometers an hour going up a hill, so that's a good sign. Who said you needed 125? Anyway, but it's happy to hear that, so they should be good for the rest of the trip. So we just went to the summit. It wasn't much exciting.
Yeah, I thought there would be a bit more like maybe a viewpoint or...
No, it's like kind of literally in the forest. There's a small little trail that you walk through, and they call it the Cloud Forest, but there's no like viewpoint or a big opening or anything like that. So we did that already. Now we came back down a little bit. Now we're going to the pagoda, the big special pagoda with the gardens around it. We're walking into that now. So. Hey, ticket.
Tour around the pagoda grounds, and it's lunchtime, but we haven't had lunch yet. We thought about having lunch here, but I don't know, it's not like the nicest, it doesn't look like the nicest food, or like the seating area in the cafe is not particularly good. So I think we're going to drive on, and we'll try and find somewhere on the road. But the thing with me and Hardis is we're always like, oh, we'll find somewhere on the road, and we keep driving and we're like, oh, what about this? Oh no, we'll try the next one, try the next one, try the next one, until we're so hungry that we're hangry, and then we don't end up eating till like 3 or 4. So today we're gonna find somewhere quick, and we're just gonna stop.
Sariang. I'm mispronouncing it every time. Mae Sariang, Mae Sariang, Mae something. I don't know. M-A-E space S-A-R-I-A-N. Sariang? Sariang? Something. I-A-N-G. Anyway, we're staying at the Good View guest house hotel here. It's right on the river. Not much river though. Still nice though. Nice simple room. It's a little dark, you can't see too good. Got a pretty big fridge. I wonder if there's anything in it. It's a big fridge. I could at least put some beers in there. Mini bar. Got a little TV there. Aircon. 2 swans kissing. Honeymoon suite, ladies and gentlemen. Honeymoon suite. Honey, did you message him in advance and tell him something? Huh? Make this room all nice. Huh? We got our standard Asia shower, bathroom. Somebody forgot to put the seat down. Not too bad, not too shabby. All that for 500 baht. It's about just under $16, so not too bad. But we're pooped. Tell you what. After we haven't been driving for a while, and it's our first day, I'd say, in a week and a half of like actually hard driving again. And we started this morning. Well, Sophie wore her backpack the whole day. I wore mine in the morning, and then in the end I put it in between my legs. I just couldn't do it on my shoulders anymore. My back is just tore up. So, but yeah, I mean, we left at 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 20 to 5, so 20 minutes before 5. That's what, 5 hours, 9 hours driving. Well, we went and saw a few things along the way, this and that, but I would say a good solid 6.5, 7 hours driving. Yeah, we're tired. It got really hot in the end. This morning was really cold, and this afternoon is really hot. The last bit of the drive, we were just coming through what would be beautiful scenic areas, but I don't know if the light's actually that good right now on my face. But anyway, beautiful scenic areas, but it was all toasted, like super dry, and there was fires everywhere. Not any like huge visible fires, but you could see the smoke everywhere.
We did see a fire engine putting out fires on the side of the road.
Yeah, we saw like 3. What I mean is like not blazing, you know. You didn't see like giant flames. Like there was multiple times where we passed, and you could see the small fires slowly proceeding along the road. But yeah, that's why it's so polluted in these areas. I mean, hold on, I'll take you outside here, and you can see. I mean, I'm sure on a regular day, the sun's not going to help either, but I can't even see much past those. That's not even just the sun shining in here, but that's actually all white. I can see a small outline of a mountain ridge here, but you can't really see much at all. But other than that, it was really nice. The road was got a little bit bad near the end, a little bit bumpy and potholey. But other than that, it was a really nice ride. We're just tired. We just pooped, so we got the hotel room now. We're gonna shower up, clean ourselves up, grab an early dinner, and probably just chill. I saw a little shop on our way in though that said handmade knives, so I want to go check that out before they close. Actually, I might just go there right now, see what kind of knives they got. That'd be kind of cool. And then try and figure out how to send it home. But anyway, great day. Great day. It's a good start to the Mae Hong Son loop. Mae Hong Son loop. Good start, and the bikes did good. We had fun on them. We had a lot of fun. We were not disappointed. We were disappointed we don't have big bikes, but honestly, it would have been about the same. It would have been about the same. So anyway, we're gonna go clean up. Catch you guys later. I love modern times. You can take an escalator up to the stupa. Sophie's over there. That's Sophie right there. Let's see. She's trying to be fit and healthy and go up the stairs. You know? Why go up the stairs when you got an escalator? It's just silly. It's like walking when you got a motorbike. Why would you walk somewhere if you could just drive somewhere? It doesn't make sense, people. It doesn't make sense. Yeah. conveniences in life. You already go.